stories today. Chief Minister Biren facilitates combined rescue and search operation team of Ramray boat capsize incident. Two accused in Arun murder case remanded to judicial custody, cop hurt during violent scuffle inside Iribung police station. And deprived family of Sapam Sham awaits government's empathy. Hello and good evening. You're watching Tom English News. This is Loving Rimai giving you the news in details. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today facilitated and honored the combined team of NDRF, SDRF, Manipur Fire Service, Manipur Police, Red Cross Society and those people from Ramray village who took part in the recent rescue and search operation conducted in Mapithel Dam of Kamjong district to recover 3 bodies. The function was held at the Chief Minister's bungalow. On the occasion, Chief Minister Biren appealed to all to operate unauthorized boats at tourist spots across the state, including Lake. The incident occurred on April 28 during the powerful cyclone that hit the state. The Chief Minister, with kind gesture, presented simple gifts to them on the occasion. Biren said the government was showing gratitude to the combined rescue and search team, which took a big responsibility in the efforts to recover the 3 bodies. He assured that a proper guideline would be formulated soon for important eco-tourist spots across the state, including Lake, and that the government would take up all possible steps to avoid fatal accidents in the future. The Chief Minister said grief-stricken Ramray eco-tourist spot is yet to be recognized by the government, but added that all necessary steps would be initiated towards making it an officially recognized spot. In a media query on preventing media persons from entering Ramray on Friday at the height of the search operation, Biren said that it was very unfortunate to learn the incident. He then clarified that the move was taken to ensure smooth conduct of the search operation.
He local made nataba haibani koina haibudo local made nataba khara koigi authorized company gi singna saba standard hek nong sila asu kari la asu phade moidaba tawroidaba adu gumba singdu sizinanaba villager singda koina appeal tawbani. Once again, I thank you the Navy team, I thank you the NDRF teams, SDRF, whoever involved in the mission, and thanks Almighty God for helping us to find out the bodies, and we pray to God that such incidents be never happened in future. Thank you. Thanks.
2 Ramray villagers who played a great role in rescuing 9 tourists narrated the April 28 tragic incident to Tom TV.
I can't be at the Honda Viadi and I walk on the Adam Kalam, I see near the book. What a Kalam again, I lie. Could any Iroya do Kongani's left at mental guys, Nupimasadu Mazway, Kanaway, Adway Kanoga, no make us rogam, the Nokoma Pansuremi, Humwali. Otherwise, my love say Kanabo of the Moy Homes is like Tiation Humari Raksanga, cheap Madame the Moy Homes Pangidre. Matak the shot Udre.
Whole incident,
oh,
with the Sangi.
Huh?
The whole incident, he long for Kivina, Nana Kanda,
oh, Lotion Povoje. Adu the exact issue Hibangam, they have the Isazu Gari or even issue Moikan Balur Matung issue, Wakanje Mangre, Lecta Greco. Woman, huh? Admai Kanbulu, Aduga, Naktangi Manungsida Nungsit Akanba Malaga, Kwaji Humdogre, Asoma Tyromda. Admai Nungsi, Siligo, Nungsi, Nungsi Kitang Handrak, but the Quay Jim Sana Mazu Turen Wang, but the Mazu, me, Nobel Satpani and Mazu bought Jik Hamalera, Ramray Vileski. Adugi, Aina, okay, Jim Sida, okay, Marim Dazadum Toy, Inausung Toyagena, James Lawanang, Kanbala, Miamjana, Mazi Haragaina, Korea, Mazi Change, Mazi Toro Sanga, I knocked to the thousand lead again, the boche. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯧꯖꯜ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯠ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯠꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯐꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯖꯤꯝꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯁꯨ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯕ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ
Thank you. James ki ko. James se Ramrei village ki villager to moi dine ko. Adu di James ki ngasai kano ka thengna base. Ata songge marup si ka thengna base. Sigi matang do.
Sa adu da ai mi che law ta ke na lemne adu khangau da nusin akan ba lakpu da ai so ai sa ge protect to lemme moi gi boto adu da accident have the oil sa adu da ai chu yeng do kham ngamdre nungsi chu kalamme adu da aina ishor bo personal to jarga sa ai chu power loger ga adu da ishor da power loger ga isu kan machang muni moi se long term me adu da aina kalaga purga pushanjar panisa.
The two accused in Kunjamayum Arun murder case were produced before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East, Lamphel today. The court remanded Pradhan Ravi and Helen, wife of late Kunjamayum Arun of Bamon Kampu, to judicial custody for 15 days. Initially, angry locals from Bamon Kampu under Irilbung police station stormed the court complex as police prepared to present the duo in the court, resulting in a skirmish. Later, the police managed to bring the situation under control. Simultaneously, Irilbung police station also faced a hard time to control an angry crowd from Bamon Kampu demanding speedy justice in the murder of Arun. A violent scuffle ensued between the police and the crowd inside Irilbung police station, where several police vehicles were also damaged. In their efforts to quell the crowd, the police resorted to blank firing and tear gas firing. A report said the locals retaliated the police action, throwing stones during the scuffle in which one police personnel was injured. Later, police MLA and Indrajit arrived at the spot and intervened. Meanwhile, Bamon Kampu locals have announced to enforce a blockade on Irilbung Road for 5 days, demanding that the accused should be given immediate punishment.
Akoy nangko sum haidana moina yani haidana akoy tumina sum paja akoy silaibani local MLA na su ngasai gi man haire akoy thaja basi chapchana pibire si tawraga pirani ngasai gi loisanna ba yana basi purani adra ngasi gi numisi ngaijarak pani SP na su thaja basi thamak pai matungi na akoy ngaijarak pani adubo ngasi pungon ona bagi tayona banakanda ngasai gi gate ki wang madagi hena akoy bulanjal handraga tumina moi puthoga ngasai gi maning lom da puthok ki haibase akoy di isam chamba parja akoy di taseng na kire hariba akoy se police ki manak ta chap chana leramba mi oi ni hali si mi ni adu kari gi damak ta mi hat pa leraga ngasi jo hauji jo hai mi hat pa pharaba moina noina ko person pi da na mi hat pa da sina ba phangam dre adu kari no kari athar no si akoy hangning ye ba adu na akoy hauji numit mangani gi matam thajage MLA local MLA da so.
Notwithstanding that, there are a lot of government-sponsored schemes meant for poor people in Manipur, it seems there are a number of underprivileged people in different parts of the state who are not acquainted with these schemes. One Sapam Sham, aged 47 years, resident of Thaubal Leshangthem Wangmataba Tayenjam Lekai, is one of the deprived families awaiting government's empathy. Here is an exclusive report.
Life faces many uncertainties at every point of time. Welfare schemes are being taken up for the poverty-stricken families by the government to help them. Yet, many of them are ignorant about these schemes. One Sapam Siam, age of 47, his wife Tombi, age of 44, and their 3 sons and 1 daughter live at Thobal Laysangthem, Wangmataba, Tayengjam Lekai of Thobal district, which falls under the Assembly constituency of former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi. Unluckily, Shyam's oldest son Jayanta suffered a serious spinal cord injury more than 15 years back, and since then he has remained bedridden. Sapam Siam even borrowed money from others to meet his son's treatment at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal, and Jayanta even spent 10 months at the rehabilitation center of the hospital as advised by doctor. But due to high expenses in the treatment, Jayanta had to leave the rehab midway. Unfortunately, this deprived family is not aware about the Chief Minister Haksilgi Tengbang CMHT card and its uses. Talking to Tom to be bedridden, Jayanta poured out his sadness on and not being able to stand on his own feet and support his poor parents. He also expressed his desire to live a normal life again.
Matingi wadi amninge tapi roja na happy wani hada ai leji ai hajen jen torokati pun fakalakane ba ado seletabrina matingi yam pame ado seletabrina layeng drabina jun ta lere andana moi mating khar to wiragati ai je adum sahi far judum chapading ngam gata na khale.
His mother Tombi said that while he was in a rehabilitation center looking after her son, she satisfied her hunger with the free meals provided at the center. Tombi added she feels very sad to see Jayanta's friends enjoying their lives. She said that he could walk again by undergoing continuous physiotherapy treatment. The treatment he got earlier had to stop due to poverty, Tombi said.
Mi oi bade ang ko di amuk sibata bani magi marai bana isona mapunsi tiro tamma bane na khanto ka badaw adu dina te aina chang pada ma di dum ta le ram bari na me mana bana chala uri ba ma di phong de le ram de ko khalu bada chaje me di ain he tawi adu wara ga ju adum ben da badi yam pen de nungai te.
So far, nobody from the locality has extended any kind of help to the family.
The total shutdown in Suknu area affected normal life for 2 days in a row. The strike has been called by the Joint Action Committee following Manipur government's failure to book the culprits involved in St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School Suknu arson attack within the April 30 deadline. The total shutdown has been enforced in and around Suknu since the 2nd of this month. All business establishments remained closed in the Suknu due to the strike. Meanwhile, several individuals from different communities, along with teachers, guardians, and students of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Suknu, staged a sit-in protest at Suknu Bazaar, demanding justice in the school arson attack that took place on April 25 night. And now for a very quick break, stay with us.
Yoga teacher jobs in Delhi for freshers. Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group of India, New Delhi, headquartered dagi tholokpa cherol amagi matung inna North East ki oina yoga teacher humfu selection khanjagani maru oina India gi mapanda chetpagi khudong chaba pizagani job ki mafam na Delhi amadi UP dani saruk yabining ba singna Athuba matamda online resume biodata thabirau aikugi contact number 9810993987 email birlayogaolympic@yahoo.com. Interview place Classic Hotel Imphal.
Welcome back after the break. Department of Civil Engineering, Manipur Technical University organized a field trip to the world's tallest bridge at Nonne and also the 1 kilometer long tunnel number 25 at Nongtek village. During the trip, participated by a team comprising of 4 teachers, 3 staff members, and 30 students of the institute. The students were lectured on the ongoing construction work of the project by experts at the site. The construction is targeted to complete by March next year. Assistant Professor, Head in Charge of the Manipur Technical University, Gyanan Takilmayum, told Tom TV that field trips help students to gain more knowledge.
Aina tasing harigadi hoy like tamiba khudimag loinabag matik chani haiba mukti yadi hoy tongan mafam da loi sakhibe hai adubu moina tasing na MTU da laaga sumana project site chattana khotana knowledge phangiba sigi matung inadi tasing na moina achouba engineer oiba khatang natana quality engineer so oiraga afaba ma samasta mateng pangani naina khanje.
On the other hand, MTU Assistant Professor Kosijin Leshangthem talked about the Technical University's vision of conducting skill development training program for local laborers so that a large number of them could work in future big projects in the state.
Yot subuse keno thang sabase like the sabaya yade dana ko mai itrigai de mai chang de dung thang tha de yada duna adumang ne dum satra sing ju especially engineering da ko like tamas like the yarak to ba sum sab engineer ne hairaga hayeng yot pun ba hitraga di labor me am no bi da adum me am do sum like tak pa ji da di akhoi ju pung amagi class na hek syllabus tu ga keno du ga chanarak to do sida fil la kan di angang me sum bit na uzara bi na loina hek khang mangam ba haitare akhoi na class to wal ho do moina sida la ga fil la kan da loina amok have the almost 90% degree of the ngamba.
Many of the students also expressed that they chose to study civil engineering considering the bad condition of connectivity in the state.
Koi sar khoi na gai to bidana ngasi maksu sida mafam sida pura e aduga khoi gi tunnel gi amagi bridge gi mayam sida khoi da knowledge mayam pibi sina khoi da su hena wakhal losing oiba aduga matung da su khoi na sugumba project si pairak pa khoi na adu su khoi da hena improve laina haidi bangthok pangangone haiba aingon da wakan
we just learn in theory as it's a bit hard for us to make our mind and then think what is the real thing which is happening in the field. So I should thank our university for giving us this opportunity.
Ozana class ta tak da koi yaudaba khodaba yause akoi field da thola kanda akoi watlaw mam da dum mengkhat pangam me adu jum dakta akoi ye state che under developing oibni na akoi na keke tawning ba haibje akoi gi mindset ta sigum mam uru kanda mafam da akoi ji tawai adagi si mafam da si lei akoi construction je si mafam da tawai haidi aduki matik yam zakhot pe aba jaga amni adabu akoi machine mandawgi wakan mandawgi kitang soda ugi wane
experience am phange haibadi khoina class tadi koi theory khaktang ta ga ko ozana phaniam tai haibuane khoida kitang gyan ta tar su knowledge ti am wat leba aduna pham sida la ga khoina mitwang uba phangbaje si yamna ingonda yam angakpa adagi yamna kana bani satra gidamak tadi sumaina field trip pu base oza singna yam phaina haijani.
The fate of a residential model school constructed at Harinagar in Jiribam district under the sponsorship of the central government has remained uncertain. We have a report.
A residential model school constructed at Harinagar in Jiribam district under the sponsorship of central government was supposed to inaugurate on 31st October of 2016 by the then Chief Minister of Manipur, Okram Ibobi Singh. But Ibobi refused to cut the ribbon during the function on learning that it was yet to be completed. Since then, the school still remains non-functional and Jiribam residents are expressing dismay over it. Jiribam near Assam-Manipur border does not have well-established educational institution equipped with proper infrastructure, which has in turn affected the students. The locals, along with Manipur Student Federation (MSF) district committee, are drawing the attention of the concerned authority to look into the matter and hand over the further responsibilities of the government to the student fraternity in the district. In this regard, President of Desam District Council L. Bilax told media person that negligence of present government towards the school is unfortunate for the students of the district.
Harinagar Jiribam da residential model high school asi mamangi lengakna saramaga so auji loiduna leirabni high school asi saba loirabasu mathau amattabo tawdana kayumba amattabo mari leinaba singna so engsambidana ngasi fawa leiriba asi Jiribam gi mairoi singi laibak thibani Maramaduna Auji Paliba, Langana, Hariba School Lassi, Atu Tamda, Miding Changsam Miduna, School Lassibo, School Lamoy Bagi, Matong Tinato and Duaiduna, Jiribamgi, Prajamati, Satra Singi, Maikaidagi, Mochilaga, Tamjer.
It is worth recalling that many organizations in Jiribam, like All Jiribam United Club Association Ajuka, Ziri Development Organization ZDO, and local Maira Fibis have said no to inauguration of the half-completed residential model school.
ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯆꯥꯕꯅ ꯆꯥꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯆꯥꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯔꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯐꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇꯣ ꯇꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯝꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯃꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯍꯤ 7-9ꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯨꯖꯔꯦꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ
Manipur Society of Hematology and Transfusion Medicine, Imphal, organized a one-day continuing medical education program on hematological disorder at Hotel Imphal.
Treatment system for example ITP have anabase yam kui chronic neba chronic nina ngasai gi hidak se charaga kyam kuina phadoino hidak se charaga kyam kuina tokdoino habse he khangdaba gumba adi ai che habse guli se kyam kuin pijadoino khara wang khalame he tokhoga mo hedna gumba adugi kitang khoi gi macha macha khara lei aduma mayam je khanga gadi patient di yam lai ba haitare ko adugumba mayam amse hanadi kya khangba khara watnai akhoi maksa ai samakso yam khangamde training chalu jinge de ko aduga mathangda akhoi gi hujigi hariba cancer gi mayam masu akhoi gi hanabudi akhoi radiation oncology gi oza mayam chu lo yengbiri adu akhoi ju hujikti training khara ju chalu robina akhoi ga punna adum akhoi na angam busu miyengi sar hoi ga punna loina na adum yenge adoi targadi ultimately patient mayam da akhoi gi success rate sum wangai se adu punna thabak tomina dabdi yadaba aduna ai thanda khangi haraga ai thanda li thokpadi yadabani na akhoi mayam punna khangmina ragadi hena kanagadaba dugini ko
Renowned international model and social activist from Manipur, Mayanglangbam Daina has been conferred Women's Excellence Award 2019 during the launching event of a magazine titled Pachan, meaning identity, held at the auditorium of Mysore Association in Mumbai yesterday. The event was jointly organized by Ayesha and Rabia School of Beauty and Arts, Mumbai, and Bharti, an ideal of humanity and compassion, New Delhi, where many courageous women who dedicated their lives for the society were honored with the awards. The magazine Pachan was also published a life story on Mayanglangbam Daina. Government schools in and around Imphal are lagging behind in both quality and structure. As part of an inspection visit carried out today at Phaying Kangjebung Upper Primary School by Phaying Gram Panchayat Pradhan, School Management Committee and guardians of the school students, it came to light that despite the school being upgraded to upper primary school level since 2013, the institute has not yet been provided with the required number of teachers and infrastructures. There are no sufficient classrooms for the students and no proper drinking water facilities available. There are no separate washrooms for the boys and the girls. It was also found that the school was running only up to class 6 against the guidelines which say normally the institute should have up to class 8. Talking to Tom TV, local Pradhan Angom Shamasaki, headmistress in charge of the school, G. Memcha, school management committee member Angom Jiten, and guardians of the school students Angom Awangjao expressed their concerns and drew the attention of the authorities to look into the matter.
Lady Bamayamsi, Manipur Lengakna Kanba Miyang Sangbiraga, Gomengi school Lady Bamayamasi, Mutlandana Pazana Yokat Piraga, Parents ki Saitagi Pazana Taunayao. Hotna biraga adai guardian adagi school gi oja singsu sa isagi isamakni khallaga asoba daita lobiraga afaba tungi yumburel kya puthokpada asigumba private school ga yengnabada sukimatik khetnaba leiraba sukimatik thak nemna leiraba school sing asida mahi tamjariba angang singjigi punsi se arembada mangada kalhounabagi damakta mari leinaba khuding makna akanba miyeng sangbiraga asigumlaba government gi school singsi Yokat pada soba thaudang lobiu haiba wafamsi thamjabag loinana asigum laba watapa leiraba school sing asida government akan meng sangbiu haiba wafamsi aina Manipur lengaki mageida thamjari
ngang singi sanabam se ground se akhoi su sanabagi kai program se kara hapsaning ba asigum bai su khitang handak pudi government gi side tagi akhoi gi khitang school khara khangat pada khoi chogbi re ko aduna akhoi sanaba khonaba Sigi line sida akhoi khitang di mai paksari haina khalli oja mayam na hotnabadagi la yekpagumba kaigumba si mayam se putnama akhoi adum anga singse participate tahonje adugo school gi awala pa haibabu akhoi class se 8 faw laigada se building se phajadre khoi thawai bidre building se ko aduna class se room se wat pana maram moiraga adugi matungda oja so mu 13 muk laigada sida wat pana maram hoji oja taru khana chalai jari hoji sa taru sida dum ꯀꯣꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯞꯀꯠꯆꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ
admission free complete free ne habi yai tawbudabu timing di cha phat tabra in khale uniform piba lairik piba si ko si matam chana piba mu ai pamjai tasengna magi season matam magi pibam thokpagi timing do February de section hautar ga de February de pibiba March horga March pibiba magi timing do di ekhoi tasengna lairik kuma si pibiba uniform pibiba admai pibiba pami ano ba haidi satra sing la kanda mafam si tamaba mayam yauri pot adu moi uniform setana lakpa du ekhoi sta leitaba gong ni han da tok piba di yade adu tobu pot asi hana leirmi pot tu gi matugi na khoi uniform si pibiba
has to be remain in such a deteriorated condition despite the fact that the school has already rated under the category of upper primary school. There might be so many hundreds of schools located both in hills and plains where the government has already recognized and given the title called upper primary school and so on. And if such kind of activities is continue, or if such unsolved problems which is demand or raised by the parents, the students along with the teachers of the particular schools, then how long the student have to suffer by not getting the eligible and qualified teachers in order to teach in the schools and in their respective subjects. With video journalist Rolibin, this is Blessing Yangmai for Tom TV News, Payang Upper Primary School.
Life remained paralyzed a day after extremely severe cyclonic storm Fani ripped through 8 districts of Odisha yesterday. However, the cyclone hit West Bengal early this morning and is likely to continue in the northeast direction with a wind speed of 90 km per hour. 12 people have died in Odisha so far, and several areas in Puri were submerged as heavy rain battered the coast. The strongest cyclone in India in 20 years is weakening gradually as it moves into West Bengal. People of West Bengal heaved a sigh of relief as severe cyclonic storm Fani weakened this morning and moved towards neighboring Bangladesh. The city witnessed wind speeds of 30 to 40 km per hour with moderate to heavy rainfall overnight. There was no report of any casualty or major damage in the districts through which the cyclone passed. The incessant rains for the past few days have led to swelling of several major rivers of northeastern states of India, including Brahmaputra. Rivers like Desang and Sivasagar district and Puthimari in Kamrup district have crossed their respective warning levels, said a flood bulletin issued by the Central Water Commission. Assam and some other parts of the northeast have been witnessing light to moderate rains since yesterday morning. Assam has put all ferry services in Brahmaputra on hold for the next 2 days. Assam and other northeastern states experienced a mild tremor this afternoon. According to reports, at around 4:32 p.m., a mild tremor was felt in different places in northeast. The magnitude of the earthquake was 5.1 on the Richter scale. The epicenter of the earthquake was located in northwest Myanmar. So far, there was no report of any damage from anywhere in the northeast. Meanwhile, the UN Agency for Disaster Reduction has commanded the Indian Meteorological Department's almost pinpoint accuracy of early warnings that helped authorities conduct a well-targeted evacuation plan and minimize the loss of life. Congress President Rahul Gandhi launched a scathing attack on the BJP-led NDA government over national security and its bid to claim credit for the UN listing of Jaish chief Masood Azhar as a global terrorist. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday said that the United Nations decision to list Azhar as a global terrorist was a very big victory in the fight against terror and claimed that it would serve as the first step in his government's plan to end all terror acts aimed at India. Claiming that the Congress had the best track record in national security, Gandhi today said it is the Congress who brought the peace in Kashmir. In 2004, the Congress government handed over a burning Kashmir and strategically worked out plans and brought back of terrorism. But Modi again opened the doors for terrorists, he added. The Congress president, who was campaigning in Sultanpur, expressed confidence that people would vote against the Modi government because he had not delivered on his promises. A 35-year-old Pakistani-American national, Waqar-ul-Hasan, a naturalized U.S. citizen who moved to America at the age of 15, was arrested at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport in North Carolina. FBI arrested him on his arrival from Pakistan for being in contact with two UN-proscribed terror groups, the Islamic State and the JEM. Hassan was arrested on 2 accounts of making false statements in 2015 about his contacts with terrorist groups. If convicted, he faces up to 8 years of imprisonment. According to court documents, the Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) in 2014 received information that he was in contact with terrorist organizations. However, Waqar-ul-Hasan, during an interview with the FBI, denied having any contacts with the terrorist groups or helping them. North Korea fired an unidentified short-range missile from its eastern coast, the South Korean Joint Chiefs of Staff said, a likely sign of Pyongyang's growing frustration at stalled diplomatic talks with Washington over its nuclear arsenal. South Korean and U.S. authorities are analyzing the details, but if it is confirmed as a firing of a banned ballistic missile, it will be the first such launch since the November 2017 test of an intercontinental ballistic missile. Before we wind up, let's go through the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Mapithel Dam tragedy, 2 remaining bodies recovered. Amju EGM decry DC's stand. Cyclone Fani bites Odisha, 8 dead. Disposal of biomedical waste, government said to pull up defaulting hospitals. Silent protest demands justice. The People's Chronicle, remaining bodies of Mapithel Dam tragedy recovered. Amju EGM lambast DC. Sit-in decries slag probe into school torching case. 24 ex-servicemen join NEIDP. Mizoram government to launch bus services to Manipur, Tripura. Protest staged against Arun's killing. Imphal Free Press. Missing bodies finally recovered from boat tragedy site. Survivor speaks. Life jackets could have saved lives. State negligence on investigation of twin blast near Minutong. 6 state MCS officers promoted to IAS. Public outcry over NAFSA agent allegedly taking bribes. The Morning Bell. Mapithel Tragedy. Final 2 missing bodies found. Scribes denied coverage of search operation. Cyclone Fani alert for Northeast India. Rain, thunderstorm and flash flood likely on Saturday, Sunday. Arun murder case. Silent protest demands death sentence to accused Pradhan and wife. Government apathy to blast victim beefs Kurai civil bodies. Manipur Mail. Cyclone Fani. 7 people killed, 12 lakh evacuated. Thiam Premkumar Award presented to K. Madhumangal Singh. Mapithel Dam boat tragedy. Search ends as all bodies retrieved. Stopped children from raising wrong slogans, says Priyanka. Amju EGM condemn arrogance of government employee.
Before we conclude today's bulletin, the top stories once again. Chief Minister Biren facilitates combined rescue and search operation team of Ramrei boat capsize incident. Two accused in Arun murder case remanded to judicial custody, court heard during violent scuffle inside Irilbung police station. And deprived family of Sapam Sham awaits government's empathy. That's all for the news today. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.
Thank you.